In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Today we're taking a clean, simple approach to getting your scheduling tool onto your WordPress site by using an embed code. I'll walk you through each click and share a few tips to make sure it looks great and works reliably. Start by clicking on your scheduling page. This is the view inside your booking tool where you see the event or calendar you want people to book. If you manage multiple event types, confirm you're on the exact one you want to embed. It helps to glance at the name, duration, and availability so you don't accidentally place the wrong calendar on your site. Next, click on the link. You're looking for the public booking link associated with that scheduling page, the one visitors will use. Opening that link ensures you're working from the live version of your calendar, which keeps everything consistent between what you see and what your audience gets. Now click on the embed option labeled Other. Most scheduling platforms include an embed section. The Other option typically generates a generic HTML snippet, often an iframe or a small block of code that can be placed into any website. Before you proceed, check for optional settings like width, height, text color, or button style, and set them to match your site's look and feel so you don't have to edit code later. Copy the code. Highlight the entire embed snippet and copy it to your clipboard. It's important to grab everything, including any script or style lines provided by your scheduling tool, because each part plays a role in loading the widget correctly. Go to your WordPress plugin, switch to your WordPress dashboard, and open the plugin you use to place custom HTML or embeds. This might be a page builder's HTML element, a theme's custom code area, or a dedicated embed plugin. The key is that it accepts raw HTML. And paste it. Drop the code into the plugin's HTML field, then save within that plugin so the change takes effect. If your tool shows a live preview, give it a moment to load. If the widget appears cramped, you can adjust width and height values in the code to better fit your layout. If your site uses caching, the change may take a moment to show on the public page. That's all there is to it. Click the scheduling page, click the link, click Embed Other, copy the code, go to your WordPress plugin, and paste it. With that, your visitors can book time directly from your site, and you're set up to manage